Hi guys, I'm Adam Forziati, the web editor for Commercial Integrator Magazine. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends. It's a really useful, quick, and free tool that you can use to sort of compare what kind of keywords you use on your own CI-oriented website versus what people might be searching for to better find the services that you provide. So let's go to trends.google.com. Let's try video conferencing, and what we're going to see when we type this in is a full list of hits that Google received over a certain period of time for this very search term. And you'll notice this is selected here, that's the past 12 months. That's obviously within the past year how many people have searched for video conferencing. But let's use all of Google's available data for this and see what happens. So over the years, it seems like the term video conferencing has become less popular on Google search. So let's try something that sounds like more what an end user would search for. Okay, so as you might expect, video call is a much more popular term because when you think about being an end user, you want to make a video call. You don't really know what video conferencing is. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Your IT oriented crowd will probably be more familiar with that kind of search term. But if you're just a regular kind of small to medium sized business owner who does want to invest in video conferencing technology but doesn't really know the technical side of it, you're probably not going to be referring to it as video conferencing rather than video call or something related to that. So you can set a custom time range. You can even search by country.